Alright guys, we're out here. It's been pretty rainy all week, so we're walking around in the rain. Don't likes it in the rain, huh baby son? You like walking in the rain but not going potty in it, huh? Say, I can only go potty in the rain if I'm not in my yard, guys. I have to have some incentive to go potty, and a walk is enough. Good boys. Huh baby son? Everything's nice and green now. We got a good rain. We didn't have rain for a little while there. Oh, marking your territory, handsome boy. It's nice and rainy out. Hey, let's go on the boardwalk, Pony Pone. Dad's going this way, okay? Oh, Pone is too, huh? What a silly boy. Oh, it's slippery. Be careful. It's been pretty rainy today. I wouldn't be surprised if most of this is underwater underneath it. Well, maybe not. Just a little mucky. No water down there yet. Look at all the water on the thorns and everything. What you doing? Don't go down there. Stay up here. Silly boy. I know you probably got to go potty number 2, huh? It's okay. We're going to go over there on the golf course for you to run around in a second. Huh. So look, guys. That is actually like a lake right there. It's just super overgrown right now. Woo! Good boy. Run. Oh, be careful, you're gonna fall. He's running back to the car. Be careful, silly boy. Oh, look. You see some of the good raindrops now. He's shaking off. He says, Dad, hurry up. It's raining, dude. We gotta go get in the car. What, hunky chunky? Oh, big guy. Where you going? Oh, don't jump and eat that. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Come on. Come on, you gotta go poop. Okay, let's run, run, run. He says, hurry up, Dad. It's starting to rain harder. Woo, Pony! It's raining, huh? Short little boardwalk there. Good boy. It's starting to rain a little harder now, guys. No sun. But the sky still looks good here in Florida. Look at that handsome boy. Good boy, Pony.